Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a quick video on my black rods and my blackout curtains. Now I have some here for my double doors and I also have some over there for my single panel windows. I want to show you the different sizes that I have because I do have different sizes for both, and hopefully by the end of this video you kind of have an idea of which sizes you want to get. Alright guys, so we're going to start off with the black rods. Now for my double door here, I got these 66 inches to 144 inches, but honestly I would size down because I had a lot of the middle parts left over. So I would suggest to go a smaller size if you have a double door like I do. Now for a single panel window like I have right here, I got the 28 inches to 48 inches, and honestly it was perfect. I really love it guys. It holds up the black curtains really well. It looks very elegant, and honestly I am absolutely obsessed with them. This is how the smaller one looks like, and that's how the bigger one looks like. So now that we talked about the black curtain rods, we're going to talk about the blackout curtains guys. I absolutely love them. Honestly, they are the best purchase that I have made in 2023. Now for my double door here, I got the 52 inches by 84 inches. They were absolutely perfect guys. This is the perfect size for a double door. I'm gonna go ahead and close them up so you can kind of see how they look. So I closed one of the panels there, and as you can see guys, the bottom, it's perfect. It's like a perfect fit, and that's that I left like a small little piece in the top. So if I wanted to, I could just put it more down and it will fit perfectly in the bottom, but I love it as it is. It fit perfectly and I really love this curtains. Alright guys, so as for the single panel, I actually cut it from the bottom because I got the 52 inches by 96 inches and it was too long. It would literally drag on the floor. So I cut it and made it short like this. So what I would suggest is only get the 96 inches long if you have like a long window. But if you have windows like mine, it's 84 inches long. I also wanted to mention that it comes with 2 panels. So that is the set. And then I have one left over for that one. They are also 100% blackout curtains guys. They black out the entire room, which is something that I love. And not only that, they actually block out the heat from the sun and also the cold whenever it's cold outside. And I really love the combination of the black rods and the blackout curtains guys. I think they look super elegant. They look very beautiful, and honestly I would 1000% recommend it.